Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Amazon account on hold. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up any browser that you have on your PC. From here, you need to log in into your account in Amazon.com. So once you've done that, you want to go to the top left corner of the screen, just underneath the Amazon Prime logo there. Just click on all, and from here you want to scroll down until you see the customer service option there. And from here, you can actually just select the type of issue, the possible way or possible reason why your account got on hold. So if you know the specific reason, you could just click on the settings or options that you can go to here. But if you don't know or you're not sure of the specific reason why your account got on hold, you need to click on the something else option here. So from here, you need to click on I need more help. And now you could have two options here. So first option is you can request a phone call, and the second option is you could chat with us in Amazon. So if you prefer a phone call, you could go ahead and request one. But if you prefer a chat via this PC, via your computer, you could choose this one and just click on start chatting now. So it's best that you have an interaction or have a conversation or connected with the support from Amazon to actually help you, because there's various reasons why your account got on hold and it differs for everybody. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.